Frankincense essential oil from Oman and Somaliland. It is steam distilled from the tree, from the frankincense tree. And this is one of the most amazing oils. I tell people when you don't know what oil to use frankincense. This is great for skin. If you have skin cancers, we have so many people on our team that had skin cancers and they just fell off by applying topically. You don't have to dilute it. It's very, very gentle. My sister gave birth to my niece, Cody Rose, and immediately upon birthing her, she said, "Can you apply essential oils to her?" And I did. I applied it. I applied frankincense with a fractionated coconut oil to her forehead, and she was so calm and so peaceful, and it's just wonderful for all things skin. If you have really itchy skin, dry skin, if you have damaged skin, if you have a scar, you can apply frankincense over the scar. If you have psoriasis, eczema, it's also wonderful for depression. Just by simply using it aromatically or breathing it from the bottle or applying it to the head or back of the neck, it's great to get you out of that slump. Wonderful for pain. You can use it internally, drop it under your tongue for overall cellular health and wellness. If you have cancer, it helps to stop the bad behavior of the cells and helps to reprogram good behavior of cells, so which helps with tumor growth, cancer growth. What we recommend is if you have a tumor, to apply it directly to the tumor, also using it internally. We have wonderful stories of tumor death where, mastectomies were canceled, surgeries were canceled. It's also great for any type of brain cancers. And the reason why is because when you notice with the brain tumor, they'll typically try to cut it out or radiate it out. Chemo is the last thing that they'll do because chemotherapy is simply too large. The medicine is too big to go past the blood-brain barrier, to go into the blood-brain barrier, or to go into one of our cells in our body. The medication has to be smaller than 800 to 1,000 AMUs, or else it's too big. Well, the frankincense is 68 AMU, so you can get to wherever the misbehavior is happening into the brain or into the cell and fight that and help to boost immunity. It's also wonderful for any type of brain dysfunction. So if you're Alzheimer's disease, dementia, Parkinson's, if you have epileptic activity or seizure activity, you simply apply it to the back of the ears. We have many wonderful stories of people getting off of seizure medications. Of course, you want to, do it along with your doctor. It's great for stretch marks. People that have headaches or back pain, apply it to the area of pain. If you have rheumatoid arthritis, if you have any type of autoimmune disease, it's also great for the thyroid. It's wonderful for liver detoxification, or if somebody has jaundice, you want to rub it over the liver, which is under the right rib cage. Any kind of warts, you'll want to use it. It's great for respiratory health. So I mentioned before that, we have an asthmatic. This is one of the oils. If he's just coughing, hard to catch his breath, I'll of course use the respiratory oils, but this is a great one to rub over the chest area to help calm the body down, to help calm the spastic cough down. We've had people that could not stop coughing and they used frankincense and oregano and gel cap, take it in, and they could sleep through the night. Just wonderful stories of how frankincense allows the body to heal. And also for breast cancer prevention, if you have breast cancer in your family, or maybe you have the gene, you've had genetic testing done, you'll want to use the frankincense over the breast area. It's a great detoxifier as well. Also use it up into the axilla area or the underarm area. One of the, as far as emotions, if there is an issue with the father, many times I'll scan adopted children and I'll know where the issue is. If frankincense shows up on their scan, there was, abandonment by the father, or if myrrh shows up, it's usually an issue with the mother, separation from the mother. And so if you feel abandoned, unprotected, distant from the father, frankincense is a wonderful oil to help with age regression therapies, any type of, counseling. It's good for meditation and prayer, frankincense.